Jamaica's Sunshine Girls will seek to salvage some pride when they face world champions Australia in the third and final test starting 3:30 Wednesday morning Jamaica time in Melbourne. The Jamaicans went down 71-41 and 73-41 in the first two encounters to give the Diamonds an unassailable lead. However, head coach Sasha Gay Henry Wright is still optimistic entering Wednesday's encounter despite having already lost the series.
A lot of our targets, there's a lot of improvement based on our last series, but there are some things that we're still struggling with, and it's an opportunity for Netball Jamaica for us to see what's the best team that we put ahead for the Commonwealth game, because this is all a part of our preparation. So it's going to be interesting how we play game 3 and how the girls will respond, and I'm just hoping to see that we really improve and meet most of our targets come for game 3.
The Sunshine Girls squad is missing world-rated goal shooters Janiel Fowler-Nemhard, Romelda Aiken-George and Shimona Jock. And Henry Wright says there is now the need to discover new talent across the island to groom for future assignments.
The experience is lacking, but we know what we have, so it's a good opportunity to see them in this type of settings to play. I wish we had more persons, so this is the limitation we have. We need to have we need to do more scouting in Jamaica to get more of these girls up to par and in a training program that will help them. So I am very grateful for the opportunity. So I can't look at what I don't have. I know I don't have the tall shooters with the experience. It might be a case where we won't have them for game, so this might just be an opportunity for these girls to step up.